It's that time for Mr. Sparky Spotlight, and this segment is for those of you who own a pool or a hot tub, or maybe you're thinking about installing one at your home. Joining me now in the studio, Kristen and Lee Lewis with Mr. Sparky of Southern West Virginia. It's always great to see you both here in the studio.
Thanks for having us. It's finally summer.
I know, it's finally summer. Time to think about swimming, jumping outside. Maybe some folks are thinking, you know what, I want a pool at my house. Yeah. But there's some electrical things to keep in mind when it comes to safety. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we get a lot of calls in the summertime. As soon as it starts getting a little bit warm, we start getting the pool and the hot tub calls. So first things first, if you're thinking about getting one, definitely have a licensed electrician come out and take a look at the electrical components. So a lot of times with these pools, it's not just popping up a pool. You've got heaters, you've got pumps, you've got a lot of electrical components that go with it. And we definitely want to let a licensed electrician take a look at that and make sure that we're installing everything. There's a lot of laws and codes that govern swimming pool safety, and the reason between 2002 and 2018 there were about 33 deaths related to electrocution with swimming pools. So a lot of safety guidelines now, you know, to kind of prevent that. So definitely call a licensed electrician to take a look at all that for you and help you get everything set up as far as that goes. Also not a bad idea to get an annual inspection if you already are an owner of a pool or a hot tub, just to check everything out, make sure that everything is still in good shape and running good. So Lee is actually going to talk to us a little bit about just some common things that can be electrical hazards around your pool for you to just kind of take a look at.
Yeah, I think one of the most overlooked pool situations is the small pools, like that you can just go buy at a store, set up, where I think that's the most overlooked. It's also probably the most dangerous because it is overlooked. So things that you can do at home, DIY, is just wherever you're going to set your pool up, just take a quick look around if there's anything electrical, overhead lines, electrical outlets, where you'd be plugging things in that would be near the pool. You need to make sure that you have GFCI outlets, which we have one here. But just simple stuff like that can really save your life.
And let's hold up that outlet, Lee, and take a look at it and explain what this is and what makes it different than a normal outlet.
Yeah, so this outlet is basically just a safety device. Water and electricity don't mix, so this keeps that from happening. If for some reason there was accidental contact with water, something dropped into the pool that's plugged in, this is the safety device that's going to prevent an electrocution.
And the annual inspections, I think that's important too, Kristen, right? So folks may think, you know, I've already gotten what I need installed, I don't need to think about it. Not true. You need to think about those inspections.
Ongoing, absolutely. Definitely, it's always, everything needs preventative maintenance, right? So let's just once a year check it out, make sure everything's good, everybody's going to be safe. You know, something else that comes to mind is your backyard barbecues. You have your snow cone maker out there, your popcorn maker, and you've got all the extension cords ran everywhere on your back patio with your pool, and those have to be far away from the pool. So it's time for summer, it's time for us to have fun and enjoy the outdoors, but let's make sure that we're doing it safely because sometimes those things can get overlooked and it's detrimental. So
what's the best way for folks to get in touch with Mr. Sparky?
Call us 304-355-5200, Facebook, MrSparky.com/Princeton. Tons of ways to get in touch with us. So give us a call if you have any concerns or to schedule that annual inspection.
Great. I want to thank both of you for coming to the studio for another edition of Mr. Sparky Spotlight. Appreciate you both.
Thank you.
Thank you.